One is fast, the other is deadly. But if they ever met, who would survive?
Welcome to the ultimate bird showdown. The emu versus the cassowary. These two titans can't fly, look prehistoric and call Australia home, but in a clash, only one walks away. Round one. Size and appearance. The emu, the second largest bird in the world, stands up to 6 feet tall and weighs around 60 kilograms. Covered in shaggy grey-brown feathers and boasting strong, muscular legs, the emu may look goofy, but don't underestimate it. Enter the cassowary. Smaller in height but bulkier and far more dangerous, with vibrant blue and red neck skin, a helmet-like casque, and black armor-like feathers. It's like a bird straight out of a sci-fi movie. And its claws, razor-sharp, especially that middle toe, is like a dagger. Round two. Speed and mobility. Emus are built for speed, running up to 50 kilometers per hour. They rely on fleeing from danger, not fighting it. Cassowaries. Slower at 30 kilometers per hour, but they're made for thick jungle environments where agility is key. Plus, they can jump over 1.5 meters high with ease. Round three, attack and defense. Here's where things get wild. Emus can defend themselves with powerful kicks, but usually avoid confrontation. Cassowaries? Completely different story. This bird isn't afraid to fight. With a single kick, that middle toe claw can rip through flesh. The cassowary is widely considered the most dangerous bird in the world. Round four. Temperament and intelligence. Emus are curious and often travel in groups. They investigate humans, peck at shiny things, and prefer to avoid conflict. Cassowaries are solitary and territorial. They don't like being approached, feel threatened. They go full-on beast mode. Round five. Habitat and adaptability. Emus thrive in the open plains and woodlands of Australia. They can cover vast distances in search of food and water. Their diet includes a variety of plants, insects, and small animals. Cassowaries, on the other hand, are masters of the dense rainforest. Their ability to navigate through thick underbrush with ease is unparalleled. They primarily feed on fruits, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal. Round six. Social behavior. Emus are social birds, often seen in flocks. They communicate with each other through various sounds and body language. Cassowaries are solitary and highly territorial. They will aggressively defend their territory from intruders. Final verdict: if these two met in the wild, in an open field, the emu might escape with its speed, but if cornered, it wouldn't stand much of a chance. The cassowary is better equipped to fight, more aggressive and downright lethal. So while the emu is faster and maybe even smarter at survival, the cassowary wins in a fight. But hey, survival isn't always about fighting. Sometimes knowing when to run is the smartest move of all. Let's dive deeper into what makes these birds so fascinating. Emus, with their long necks and legs, are built for covering vast distances in the Australian outback. They can travel great distances in search of food and water, making them resilient survivors. Cassowaries, on the other hand, are masters of the dense rainforest. Their ability to navigate through thick underbrush with ease is unparalleled. Both birds play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Emus help in seed dispersal across large areas, while cassowaries are known as keystone species for their role in spreading rainforest seed. Despite their differences, both birds are vital to the balance of their habitats. So while the cassowary might win in a head-to-head battle, the emu's endurance and adaptability make it a formidable survivor in its own right. In the end, both birds are champions of their respective domains, and that's what makes the natural world so endlessly fascinating. Gap-1.0s. Welcome back, bird enthusiasts. Now that we've seen the epic showdown, let's take a closer look at the incredible habitats of these fascinating birds and how they have adapted to thrive in such diverse environments. First up, the emu. Emus are the masters of the Australian outback. They can be found wandering across open plains, woodlands, and even semi-arid regions. These resilient birds are built for endurance. With their long legs and powerful stride, they can cover vast distances in search of food and water. Their diet is incredibly varied, including grasses, seeds, fruits, insects, and even small animals. This adaptability allows them to survive in some of the harshest conditions on the planet. Emus have a unique way of dealing with the extreme temperatures of the outback. During the scorching heat of the day, they reduce their activity and seek shade. Their feathers provide excellent insulation, keeping them cool in the heat and warm during chilly nights. This remarkable ability to regulate their body temperature is one of the reasons they have thrived in such a challenging environment. Now, let's venture into the dense rainforests where the cassowary reigns supreme. Cassowaries are perfectly adapted to life in the lush tropical rainforests of northern Australia, New Guinea and nearby islands. These birds are like living tanks, navigating through the thick underbrush with ease. Their powerful legs and sharp claws allow them to move swiftly and silently through the dense foliage. Cassowaries play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their rainforest habitat. They are known as keystone species because of their vital role in seed dispersal. As they consume a wide variety of fruits, they help spread the seeds of countless plant species, ensuring the continued growth and diversity of the rainforest. Without cassowaries, many plant species would struggle to survive, leading to a decline in the overall health of the ecosystem. The rainforest provides cassowaries with a rich and diverse diet. They feast on fruits, leaves, fungi, and even small animals. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate ripe fruits hidden beneath the dense canopy. Despite their solitary nature, cassowaries are incredibly territorial and will fiercely defend their patch of the rainforest from intruders. Both the emu and the cassowary have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in their respective habitats. The emu's endurance and adaptability make it a true survivor of the outback, while the cassowary's strength and agility ensure its dominance in the rainforest. These birds are not just fascinating in their own right, but are also vital to the balance of their ecosystems. Gap-1.0s. And there you have it, a deeper dive into the habitats of these incredible birds. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Gap-1.0s. Welcome back, fellow wildlife explorers. We've marveled at the epic battles and explored the habitats of emus and cassowaries. Now let's delve into the fascinating behaviors and social structures of these incredible birds, and how they interact with other animals and even humans. First, let's observe the emu's social dynamics. Emus are generally solitary birds, but can occasionally be found in pairs or small groups, especially during the breeding season. During this time, male emus take on the primary role of incubating the eggs and raising the chicks. It's a remarkable display of fatherly dedication. The male emu will sit on the nest for about 8 weeks, rarely leaving to eat or drink, fiercely protecting the eggs from potential threats. Emus are known for their curious and sometimes mischievous nature. They often approach human settlements and can be seen investigating their surroundings with a keen eye. While generally non-aggressive, emus have been known to defend themselves vigorously if they feel threatened. Their interactions with other animals are mostly peaceful, although they will use their powerful legs to ward off predators when necessary. Now let's turn our attention to the cassowary. Cassowaries are solitary and highly territorial birds. They prefer to keep to themselves, only coming together during the breeding season. Female cassowaries are larger and more dominant than males. After mating, the male takes on the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Much like the emu, the male cassowary will guard the nest and young ones with fierce determination, ready to use its formidable claws against any intruders. Cassowaries have a reputation for being elusive and shy, but they can be extremely dangerous if provoked. Their powerful legs and dagger-like claws make them formidable opponents. Despite their solitary nature, cassowaries play a crucial role in their ecosystem by spreading seeds and maintaining the health of the rainforest. Interactions with humans can be a mixed bag for both emus and cassowaries. Emus are often seen as curious and approachable, sometimes even becoming local attractions. However, it's important to remember that they are wild animals and should be treated with respect. Cassowaries, on the other hand, are best admired from a distance. Their unpredictable nature and powerful defenses make them one of the most dangerous birds in the world. Both emus and cassowaries have unique social structures and behaviors that reflect their adaptations to their environments. The emu's cooperative breeding and curious nature make it a fascinating subject of study, while the cassowary's solitary and territorial behavior highlights its role as a keystone species in the rainforest, Gap-1.0s. As we continue to explore the wonders of the animal kingdom, let's remember the importance of respecting these incredible creatures and their habitats. Stay tuned for more captivating wildlife content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this amazing journey. Welcome back, wildlife enthusiasts. We have witnessed the epic battles, explored their habitats, and delved into their behaviors. Now let's dive into some fascinating facts and trivia about emus and cassowaries that are sure to surprise and delight you. Did you know that emus can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour? That's faster than most humans can sprint. Their powerful legs not only make them swift runners, but also excellent swimmers. Emus are known to take a dip in water bodies to cool off and even cross rivers when needed. Here's a quirky fact. Emu feathers are unique because they have a double shaft, giving them a fluffy appearance. This special feather structure helps them regulate their body temperature, keeping them cool in the hot Australian outback. Now, let's talk about the cassowary. These birds have a fascinating feature called a casque on their heads. The casque is a helmet-like structure made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. While scientists are still debating its exact purpose, it's believed to help cassowaries push through dense vegetation and possibly serve as a resonating chamber for their deep, booming calls. Speaking of calls, cassowaries can produce incredibly low-frequency sounds, sometimes referred to as booming or drumming. These sounds can travel through the dense rainforest, allowing cassowaries to communicate over long distances without being easily detected by predators. Here's a fun fact about cassowaries. They are often called the gardeners of the rainforest. This is because they play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Cassowaries consume a variety of fruits and berries, and the seeds pass through their digestive system intact. When they excrete these seeds, they help to maintain the health and diversity of their rainforest habitat. And did you know that both emus and cassowaries have a prehistoric connection? They belong to a group of flightless birds known as ratites, which also includes ostriches, kiwis, and rheas. These birds are thought to have evolved from a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago, making them living relics of Earth's ancient past. Emus have another interesting tidbit. They have tiny vestigial wings hidden under their feathers. While these wings are too small for flight, they serve as a reminder of their evolutionary history. Emus use their wings for balance and to help them change direction quickly while running. Finally, let's not forget the cassowaries' striking appearance. Their vibrant blue and black plumage, combined with the bright red wattles hanging from their necks, make them one of the most visually stunning birds in the world. But don't let their beauty fool you. Those dagger-like claws can be deadly if they feel threatened. Fascinating, isn't it? These remarkable birds are full of surprises and play vital roles in their ecosystems. As we continue to learn about them, we gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the incredible creatures that inhabit it. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed these fun facts and trivia, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting wildlife content coming your way. Welcome back, wildlife enthusiasts! We've journeyed through the epic showdown between emus and cassowaries, explored their unique environments, delved into their fascinating behaviors and social structures, and uncovered some truly amazing facts and trivia. Now it's time to wrap it all up and give our final verdict on this incredible bird battle. First, let's recap the highlights. In the epic battle, we saw how emus, with their incredible speed and agility, could outmaneuver many predators and even cross rivers with ease. Their double-shafted feathers help them stay cool in the scorching Australian outback, and their vestigial wings aid in balance and swift direction changes. On the other hand, cassowaries impressed us with their formidable presence. Their casque, which might help them navigate dense forests and amplify their booming calls, adds to their mystique. They are the gardeners of the rainforest, playing an essential role in seed dispersal, ensuring the health and diversity of their habitat. And let's not forget their striking appearance and those sharp claws that make them a force to be reckoned with. When it comes to behavior and social structures, emus are generally more social, often seen in pairs or small groups, while cassowaries are more solitary, fiercely protecting their territory. Both birds have fascinating adaptations that have helped them survive and thrive in their respective environments. As for the trivia, who could forget that emus can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and are excellent swimmers, or that cassowaries can produce incredibly low-frequency sounds to communicate over long distances? These remarkable traits showcase the evolutionary marvels that both these birds are. Now for the final verdict. While it's clear that both emus and cassowaries are extraordinary in their own right, each with unique adaptations and roles in their ecosystems, declaring a definitive winner is nearly impossible. The emu's speed and social nature make it a fascinating creature, while the cassowary's powerful presence and ecological contributions make it equally remarkable. In the end, the true winner is the natural world, enriched by the presence of these magnificent birds. They remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild.
Which bird do you think is cooler? The lightning-fast emu or the fearsome cassowary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love strange and wild animal showdowns, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We've got more wild content coming soon. Stay curious and stay wild.